What's happening, guys? It's Friday. We're here at Samaki, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Say it again. Sa.
Samaki.
Okay, that's the one we're at. The one I showed you in the last time, but we're in a different section this time. So I figured I'd show you what else they have to offer. It's mainly food, fruits and vegetables, things of that nature. Even got some durian back over that way. You can smell it before you see it. But you can also get other stuff here, as you can see. We got toys and even whiteboard markers, rolls of masking tape if you need it, pens, calculators. Oh, it's like a little stationery store. Little notebooks over there. As you can see, little notebooks. Huh. Yeah. Flashlights. Yeah, pretty cool. Like I said, I think the majority of this market is made up of fruits and vegetables and meat. But it looks like there is a section that I didn't get to explore last time that has everything. Of course, phones everywhere. If you come here and you ever need a phone, you will not have any issues finding one at varying prices and varying quality. I have jewelry over here. Yeah, all kinds of different sauces. Oyster sauce, fish sauce, hot sauce. Some kind of sauce that looks like a bluish color, but it has peppers on the front. I can't read it, so I'm not sure what they are. Yeah. And if you have your own restaurant or little store, look, you can buy your bowls and your cups, straws. Whoa. Those are some big jackfruits right there. Jackfruit.
Yes.
Yeah. I do like jackfruit. Take a picture of that. Jackfruit is one of my top 3 favorite fruits. It is later in the afternoon, so it's not as busy as it would be like in the morning. You can buy little snacks already pre-packaged if you want. Oh no, I don't want to eat. We just ate a great filling bowl of noodles right out front, in front of the market. Oh, I think first time in a long time I couldn't even finish. Almost, I could see the bottom of the bowl, but there was a huge portion. Lots of noodles and lots of vegetables, pork, herbs, and all for $1. And that was a good deal. Very delicious. I would highly recommend it if you're here. Yeah, get yourself a marijuana t-shirt. Or some cucumbers. Oh, it goes even further back there. I didn't even know that. Wow. It goes down there. I think this is more the general merchandise area. With all the things you can find elsewhere. But because there are not a lot of foreigners here, you probably find things a little bit less expensive than at one of the more touristy markets. Especially, oh wow, it goes all the way down there too. Okay, this place is much, much bigger than it appears on the outside. Much bigger. The last time we just got over on the other side that way, the way I'm going now. We were over that way. Didn't really get over here. I didn't realize how large a place it actually is. Yeah, backpacks, dresses, little bags, flip-flops, of course, socks. And you always got to have hats. I like hats. I have been trying to be sold hats that I did not think were my style. It takes a certain style to pull off like a cowboy type hat or an Indiana Jones type hat. And I just don't have that style, even though they insisted I try it on and then try to tell me, oh, how great I look, and it's a perfect match. I do not fall for such flattery. I'll stick with my baseball caps. Always wear it forward, never backwards, and I'm good to go. That looks like down there is just more general merchandise, so we'll head back, find Seng. Oh, there she is. But I do like the vast array of things you can buy. I like to say the markets here are truly like the one-stop shops of Cambodia. You can buy anything from clothes to vegetables, electronics. And if you see something, or if you don't see something that you want, you can ask. Trust me, somebody will lead you in the right direction. We have some fish, seafood. Yeah. More over here. And of course, chicken. Gotta love the chicken. If given a choice, I would eat chickens more than anything else because I think they're the most flexible in terms of how you can cook them, what flavors you can use on them, things like that. Like the blank canvas of meat. So I would always choose chicken when they ask me what kind of meat I want in a dish. Unless it's a dish that comes pre-prepared. Yeah, it looks like that guy got away. That guy escaped, realized he couldn't swim on the cement. And that's how it ends for him. All right. Yeah, you can see how vast it really is. If you pass by it, it's on Highway 6 on the way to Salu from our apartment. If you pass by it, you would think it's just a small little market with just a couple vendors. But as you can see, wow. Again, this is going to take me more than just a couple trips to see everything. I guess we're waiting for our fish. So I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, if people wanted to see more of Seng cooking. And right now she's doing something with some more fish. What is that in there? What is it?
Like $2.50.
No. How?
Huh?
What?
Chmo.
Chmo.
Try.
Tarai?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Try.
So you can see we have a leaky faucet over here. I got to get the landlord up here to fix it. The ring inside broke here, and so if you turn it on full blast, this arm shoots off and sprays water up into the air. In the meantime, it just leaks. Got to get him up here to fix that. And of course, we got some fresh herbs. Got some carrots in there. What is this?
Speak out.
Aha.
Boko.
Boko.
Yeah.
Okay. Boko.
Ní. Tâm.
Tấm.
Tâm.
Cái tấm.
Yeah. Chim vòng.
Chim bong.
Yeah.
I'm sure I'm butchering those words.
Carrot.
Carrots.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's almost the same word. Carrots is carrots. But anyway, she's going to do something with that fish. I don't know what. You going to cook it? Tormo the fish?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Chiên. Đặt chiên.
Chiên.
Yeah. Và ធ្វើម្ហូបមានដូចជាយើងប្រើវល់អានោះគេហៅខុតម្ហូបមានទឹកខ្មែរគេហៅទឹក
Okay. I'll take her word for it. Like I said, this kitchen is made for somebody her size. You can tell it's small. Not a lot of space. I get out here and I'm bumping into the walls and trying to rinse things off in the sink and knocking plates and dishes over. I'm just too big. All right. All right. So the fish have been marinating in whatever it was she said for a while now, letting them soak in all the flavor of whatever she's marinating them in. Right now we got some eggs. And it looks like some kind of greens in there. Somebody said they wanted to see more of Seng cooking, so. And in here, what do we got in here? Rice? Yeah, there's the rice. And then the fish are going in there.
Yeah. Ani ruột. Ani okay. Ani 1 2.
All right, there you go.
Yeah.
All right, there you go. I'll let you know more when, I'm not sure what the timeline is, but I'll let you know. All right, the fish is all going in. There it is. Ooh, popping. Don't want to get the camera too close. Now she's frying up the fish. Got the eggs over here resting. Yeah. And then what? You fry the fish. Then it goes in there.
Rice.
Fish, eggs, and rice. And the fish has been marinated in something. It smells really, really good. Ooh, good. You go ahead and put the. Yeah. Good. Ooh. All right, then. So that should be a great meal. I'll show you the end when we get there. All right, and here we have the finished product. We got the fish, we got the eggs and vegetables, and of course a little bit of rice. Yeah. So there you go. Some more of Seng cooking for everybody that requested it. Turn this light off. And also, her daughter has a job now, so she's not here right now. We'll save her some, of course. My buddy Mark gave me this setup to borrow. I mentioned in my last video that I was thinking about getting a tripod or something to hold my phone so I could do the other YouTube channels. And he had some spare equipment I can borrow. So this will hold my phone in place. I can set the tripod up and concentrate it on the board so I can get that done. I'm going to be doing some experimental videos and seeing what works best as far as sound and light. And I'll let you know. Alright. I don't know what happened there. I'll talk to you guys later.